don't know if you can see me. Hi everybody! Happy Father's Day! Well, here's what I'm doing for fathers. I'm making special gifts. I've already made 2 gift bags here. And the next one I'm gonna make sure that you can see it. Okay? So let's see if I can put my video at an angle now that I'm sitting ready to go. So the first gift bag I'm gonna make is really simple. It's a beautiful perfume called Domaine, and Domaine is a hot selling male product. Okay, let me see if I can show you. So it looks just like this. Isn't that beautiful? That's Domaine, right? It's really beautiful. Let me put it back in the box and I'll parcel it. Oops, I think it goes this way. All right, there we go. All right, here's how it looks. So when I'm making gifts, I make sure I use some parceling paper. I just put it in the center, roll it up nicely, nice and wrinkle free, fold the edges back and forth. Then I have this nice little Mary Kay gift bags. See? On it is written Mary Kay at the side. So I'll open it up. And it looks like a rectangular box. Nice and easy. Then I'll drop my product inside. All right. Nice and easy. And then I'm gonna seal it. Well, the way that I seal it is really easy. So you take the ribbon and you put all 3 points of the holes together. It already has holes for you. And then you pass it through the hole and pull. And there you go. Got a little nice gift bag for Father's Day. And last but not the least, I made 3 of this. So there you go. So someone ordered 3 of this, and then I put them in these bags and they're all ready to go. And it's a special delivery. See, I came to her to deliver them. Perfect customer service. Can't beat that. Yeah, right on point. The second one goes in the bag. She doesn't have to parcel them anymore. It's all done for her. So there we go. I got my 3 bags ready to roll. Who's in? Come on. Who's in? Ready to go. Special delivery. Right at her job site. All right. Who's next? Order your gift bags, okay? That Domaine is $38 for men. And it is good. It's a hot seller. Yeah, it is. So order your Domaine and get a special delivery if you're local to me. All right, take care now and bye.